Hey, it's Taylor, and welcome to the first official episode of Taylor Talks Pets. Today's topic was inspired by a dog that I know. She really likes to chew on hard bones, much like Ash does. All of these are tooth marks, and you can see how much she really wants to chew on them. You can see the same thing with smaller bones like this. All of this is from him chewing on it. And then same thing with this bone here. He's actually chewed the whole chunk out of this front part. However, it didn't turn out so well for Lola, and she ended up fracturing her carnassial tooth and needing to have it removed surgically. As a result of this, I decided to take away the antlers that Ash loves chewing on and replace them with some new toys.
Here we have, what's up, Ashy boy? What's in here? Paper. Oh, alright, first toy. Oh, he's excited about this one. You like this one? Oh, you like the tail? You don't know what to do with this one?
However, I didn't just want this to be an unboxing video of Ash's new toys, and instead also wanted to provide some educational content for you guys.
Oh, sweet. Alright, you don't that part. Sweet. Oh, you like this one?
You probably brush your teeth twice a day, but when was the last time you remember brushing your dog's teeth? They can also benefit from regular toothbrushing. And as an added bonus, it can save you lots of money down the line in costly extractions. The Veterinary Centers of America estimates that 2/3 of dogs over the age of 3 will have some form of periodontal disease. This is characterized by inflammation of the gums and also tartar or calculus buildup on the teeth. As you can see here, or here, it can be quite painful. One of the best ways to prevent this calculus buildup is through daily brushing. Here are a few tips. The first and most important thing is to make it a good experience for your dog. This will help keep it safe for both you and your dog, as you really don't want to get bitten, and you don't want it to be a fight every time you go to brush your dog's teeth. The second important fact is not to use human toothpaste. This is not formulated to be swallowed, as dogs will do, and can also contain xylitol, which is toxic for dogs. The third thing is that you're going to want to brush on each side for about 30 seconds. Again, take your time and start slow. If your dog is stressed or anxious about this process, don't push it. Eventually, you can work up to the ideal amount of time. The more frequent is better, but at least 3 times a week will make a huge difference. Chewing can also supplement brushing, as a mechanical grinding action can actually help clear off tartar and calculus buildup on the teeth. However, this is only effective if your dog chews equally on both sides. And again, you want to be really careful about what they're chewing on. Hard things like bones or antlers can actually break their teeth, and this will be counterproductive. As a general rule of thumb, you want to be able to make an indent with your fingernail in anything you give your dogs to chew on. If you can't, it is likely too hard for them. You must also be careful with rope toys and rawhides, which could potentially cause an intestinal obstruction, and pig ears and bully sticks that could cause vomiting or diarrhea. Instead, look for chews that have received the Veterinary Oral Health Council, or VOHC, seal of approval, such as the CET VeggieDent shown earlier in the video. I will include a link in the video description with other VOHC approved products. You can also provide crunchy treats such as raw carrots, green beans, or apple slices in moderation, and use puzzle toys that require a dog to use their paw or nose to make kibble fall out. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below. Until next time,